Hello there, welcome to the Airgun Gear Show. Now, you've got £700 or £800 in your pocket. You're looking for a new PCP. You want something of high build quality and supreme accuracy. You go to your local shop and the man says, it's Varrock time. And it's also cow feeding time over there, so you're going to listen to them a lot as well. We've been on a road trip up to the very nice people at Hull Cartridge, and they've sent us away with one of these. It's a Varrock HW100 KT. Let's take a closer look. This is the 2.2 version of the Varrock HW100 KT, and straight out of the box it comes with everything you need. 2 magazines, all the filling adapters, the instruction book. The only thing that you will actually have to add is a pump or a bottle. As all you Varrock fans will know, the finishing and the quality on this rifle is fantastic. One of my favourite things about this rifle is the fact that the stock is ambidextrous, and I love the thumb hole part of it. At the end of the stock there's a nicely finished shoulder pad. The checkering on the pistol grip has got a lovely rough finish to it. This version comes fitted with a Varrock silencer, and from the front of the stock there is a lovely finger grip section. On the right hand side of the rifle you can see many important features such as the loading bar, the safety catch and the point of entry for the magazine. The safety on this is not an auto safety, and in fact the safety mechanism won't move until you've drawn back the cocking lever to make it live. But what a fantastic cocking lever it is. As you pull it back, it opens on its own. The actual drawer is there, and then you push it back in. So there's virtually no effort whatsoever. The rifle is a multi-shot, 14 shots per magazine to be precise, and you get 2 magazines in the box, which is unusual. And once you've managed to put the pellets in one of the magazines, you're going to load the rifle, and that's dead easy. You draw back the cocking bolt. You then draw back the indexing mechanism. You take your magazine, which has a very clever little mark on it, so you know where you are. You slide the magazine in, you push the index mechanism forward, and I didn't need to fight that, it just slid in. You bring the loading bolt back, and that's it. You're ready to go. There is something I'd like to point out about these magazines. They are made from a single piece of metal. It has a rubber washer on the outside, but other than that it is a single piece of metal. No springs, no clever encasement to hold it in. It is very, very simple, and that's possibly one of the reasons why it works so well. On the front of the rifle is the standard Varrock pressure gauge with the easy fill or quick fill pressure system, and as I've only got a pump today, I'm going to have to do some pumping before I get to fire the rifle. The trigger system on the bottom of the rifle is fully adjustable. Just down from the trigger guard are the 2 retaining bolts that keep the rifle connected to the stock. And I think there's enough wood there if you wanted to add a few toys. The barrel is supported here, and it makes everything feel really nice and firm. There is something else that this rifle can do that Varrock owners already know about, and that's you can take the air cylinder out without discharging it. Now, I'm going to take the silence or moderator off, purely and simply because I'm a bit of a beast and I have been known to scratch things, and this isn't mine. And the boys at Varrock don't want it back scratched. Doing it on camera, so it's never easy. got to come through that shoulder ring, and there it is. The air pressure vessel is out. And that means that you could give it a little bit of a clean or a tidy up. So there's no excuse for any dirt in there, is there? It also means that if you ever want it serviced or pressure tested or anything like that, it's lovely to take apart. In the box, you also get all the attachments you need to connect and to pump the rifle up in many different ways. So there you have it. There's a look at the Varark HW100 KT. And it really is very nice. The next question is, how does it shoot? Normal test then, 5 shots, 25 meters. We're indoors today, it's a British summer, but that's only going to help the accuracy. And I know it's 25 meters in length because I've used my tape measure, which is 5 meters long. So I reckon by the old arithmetic system of 5 times 5, that equals 25. And fortunate for me, it puts the table just outside in the rain. So I've got to wait for the rain to stop. I'm going to zero the rifle first, which means I can record how many shots I get from one charge. And I'm starting with the rifle charged to there. And for the test, I'm going to use Varark F&T Specials. One of the biggest requests we get is that I actually do some target shooting sitting down and resting. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, I'm pretty happy that I'm zeroed. 5 shots, here we go. Wow! Will you look at that? I think I'm still a click high. That is amazing. So I've done 30 shots. You've certainly got 30 more in the green section, maybe even a few more when you work into that yellow section, but that's your own personal choice. What do I think? But before I tell you what I think, I'm going to show you one other thing. This is something we've discovered while we've been filming this morning. Now imagine, you're out and about, you've done your 14 shots on your magazine, you've obliterated everything known to man, and you've still got more coming at you. What do? You're in the middle of a barn, it's dirty. Where do you put your rifle? Well, this is something I like. You take your magazine out. And I'm doing this in one camera shot, no editing. Blow a bit of dust away, just so we're happy. Put your magazine down. Take your pellets out. Yes, it makes a noise, but I am loading the magazine without putting the gun down, and I've just put 3 shots in there while I talk to you. And I'm loaded again. And I did that without putting the rifle down, without squatting on the floor, one-handed. Magic! There's only one thing I'm not a fan of with this rifle, and that's the fact that yet again there's no auto safety. but that seems to be common throughout the world of PCPs anyway. Really, honestly, I can't find anything to fault it. It's accurate, it's got plenty of shots in the canister, you could take it hunting, you could do a little bit of target shooting with it, and you could plink with it. It is on the side of 700 plus pounds. But actually, do you know what? I think it's money well spent.